How are
Good
you
evening.
today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh,
Sorry,
how's
who's it?
school? Oh, sorry. How's school?
I will have exam next 2 weeks.
Okay, when will be the summer class?
I think grade me
Okay, when? When will be the summer?
grade me. I think we can have in summer at uh 10 10 of June until 10 of June.
Okay, second, end of June.
Mm, I think
Okay,
10.
June. Oh, what grade are you now, Tono? You are in?
I'm in at home.
I don't know, grade. Class. Your class? What?
Class.
Yeah, you are class 6 or class 7?
I don't
Class
remember.
7? Class 7, right?
I'm classic.
And
I'm classic.
next year, class 7.
Yes.
Wow, you are now in class 7. Okay. So today, Tono, can you see this?
Okay.
Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Police report. Okay.
Okay.
Police report. What can you say about the picture? What can you say about the picture?
I see a police. I think he is walk a girl in the street.
Okay. See, walking the girl on the street. Okay. Hey, this one. Okay. What is this? This is a
Passport.
lost passport. Do you have passport?
I think I don't know because my parents don't tell me. I think I don't have it.
Okay, you don't have it yet. Hey. Now, so what might you do to know if you lost your passport?
Mm, I might to find and ask people to see my passport.
Okay, so what might you do? Example, you lost your passport. What you will gonna do?
Mm, I I'm gonna to find it. Find I have to who went or in the airport. I think I have to go home at I have to go at home and to find it careful.
Okay, so maybe you will go at home. You will go back at home. Okay. Okay, so passport is very important to know. Okay, always
Yeah.
remember that one. When you travel to other country, you are gonna need a passport. Always remember, okay? Next one. Okay, so we will gonna read the dialogue. Okay, so we have here tourists and policemen. Okay.
Okay.
Tourists, sir, I need to report my passport as lost. You will be the policeman.
Okay. How did you lose your passport?
A pickpocket took my bag in a crowded market.
Was the pickpocket a male or female?
It was a man, but I didn't see his face. I need a temporary passport. for business travel next week. Could you please tell me how could I go about getting one?
Certainly, only the embassy of your country has some authority to give you a replacement passport.
Thanks. Do you know what I need to provide them with?
Mm,
Policeman.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this, but I know you definitely need the police report. You could check out all the rewards on the official's website.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help. Okay, so Tono, we have here the different words. Pickpocket. Do you know pickpocket?
I think it's a bag.
Okay, pickpocket is what is pickpocket? Someone
Mm,
who pickpocket is someone who
uh, uh, who take the bag, the older bag, but the bag is not how is.
okay. You get someone who get the bug, someone who get the money. Okay. So how about temporary? What do you mean by temporary?
Temporary. I don't know.
Temporary, it means not
Mm, Not.
permanent. It's temporary. It's not permanent. How about replacement? What do you mean by replacement?
I think is a plans to we can make again a passport.
Okay, yes. You have to replace it means you have to get again another passport. How about police report? Police report.
I think is a police we can report to when we had a problem.
Okay, very good. When you have the problem, you are gonna have to give the police report. Okay, give police report. Okay, so this one. Now, so please try to look at this tone. No, look at her, the conversation. If you're done,
Okay.
please tell teacher so you can answer the question below. Okay? You tell me.
Okay.
Tu, 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 tu.
Okay, teacher, finished.
Okay, please answer, write your answer in the chat box. Okay?
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
How did the tourist lost his passport?
Is pickpocket took tourists by in crowded market.
Okay. So, a pickpocket took the tourist bag in a crowded market. Very good. Who do you need to report a missing passport to?
We need to report a missing passport to police report.
Okay. Who do you need to report a missing passport to? Okay, we need to report a missing passport, of course, to police. Okay, next is, what are the requirements for applying for a replacement passport?
Only the
What are the
embassy
requirements for applying for a replacement passport?
only the embassy in our country had the authority to give you to the replacement passport.
Only the embassy of the country has the authority to give you the replacement passport. Very good. So only the embassy, example, Vietnam. So only Vietnam embassy has the authority to change or to replace your passport. Not our country, not other countries, so no. Okay? Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you think,
Okay.
Tono, passport is very important? Do you think passport is very important? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
it's very important.
Okay, especially if you
Yes, because
travel. Okay. So, have you
yeah,
traveled, Tono? Have you tried to travel?
I try to travel.
Okay, you try to travel. Here, match the words to their correct meaning. Use them to complete the sentence. Here, letter A, B, C, D. You have to match. And what do you think is the word? Okay, replacement, police report, temporary, or pickpocket. Okay, so please try to put here.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think is the meaning of replacement? A, B, C, D. And you are gonna put here the word. Okay, please write your answer in the chat box again. Okay,
Okay.
letter only, letter.
Okay.
Match the green words to the meaning A, B, C, or D. Replacement, police report, temporary, and pickpocket. What do you think are these? Classify. Classify. Kaya ganyan lang yung magkukong. Alam mo ka na ilis pantalon.
Fitness teacher. Fitness teacher.
Okay, pickpocket. What is the meaning of pickpocket? Can you tell me the meaning of pickpocket? Okay, what is the meaning of pickpocket?
Is a thief will steal something out of pocket or bag.
Okay, it is the pickpocket. It's a thief who steals something out of pockets or bag. How about police report? What is the meaning of police report?
Is a formal statement from a government authority.
Very good. It's a formal statement from a government authority. How about temporary? Temporary.
Is not not per not permanent, a sick or a limited time.
Okay, not permanent. It exists for a limited time. So only limited time pa, no? Next, temporary. I no. Replacement.
Is the process of replacing something with something else.
Okay, it's replacement. It means the process of replacing of something with something else. Okay, What do you think is the answer for this one? Number one is it's pickpocket. I need a pickpocket. What is the answer for number one? You write the answer for number one, two, and three, and four.
Okay.
Please answer one, two, and three, four.
Okay.
If the product doesn't work, you are given the choice of a refund or a blank.
Okay.
A blank must have taken it from my bag to along with my wallet. Ate, imong pantalon ate ugasan na. Uli nagpajama ka. Ibugat ka dyan na ito. Eh, pajama na juragan ka.
I, yes, teacher. I'm finished.
Okay. Okay, so number one, what is the answer? It is
Is replace.
replacement. Okay, very good. I need a replacement passport to get through customs. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. If the product doesn't work, you are given the choice of a refund or a, what is that?
Sorry.
Temporary. A blank must have taken it from my bag. It's the pickpocket. Okay, number one answer is I need a temporary passport. Number one, huh? Number two, I need, if the product doesn't work, you are given the choice of a refund or a replacement. Okay, four is the, I have the police report here in my lost passport. Okay, again, number one, Tono,
Yes.
temporary. Two, replacement. Three, pickpocket. Four, police report. Okay, next one. Now, completing each box with the correct expressions. Okay, what do you think is the correct expressions? You write the number. What do you think is the correct expressions? Look up the expressions, Tono, and write the correct number. After, you are gonna read. Okay? Please write number only, ha? Number.
Okay.